Okay, here's the other one. And when you have your cord, you want to get your cord out of the way. You can just shove it in your location like this where the air used to come out. Just anything to get it out of the way, you know. Then I like to try to stand it up on its top. Take my housing, and sometimes if you have to, like if your housing has, remember some of them have a lip here, so if you bend this all out of whack to get it out, you can take your hammer and pow pow pow, get it nice and straight again. That way you can slide it back over here. I've got to look at this, remember where my front is. Okay, it's right there. Take this and slide it over carefully. Oopsie. Wait. Yeah. Flip it around the other way. Like that. And now it's not in all the way, so now I can lift up on it. Slide that in like that. Figure out how I had it. I had this facing up, you remember? Okay. And then there's a little notch. There's a little notch in the styrofoam. It's right there. I'm going to slide this straight down like that. Right there. Lift this up. Slide this in. The higher I lift it, the more I can slide the box in. Tilt it up. Boy, I think that fit right in. It might be off a little. Okay, looks good. Bye-bye. Put that in there. And I got the other thing all ready to throw away. Oh, got it backwards. If you get it in just right, it should all fit back in the box. See, I might have to, looks like I'll have to slide this over just a little. Okay, let's try it again. Come on. What'd I do? Get it upside down. Maybe it does go this way. There. Not fitting as well, is it? I don't think that's, something's not happening here. And so I want to get this back in the box properly. It must not be set in the actual notch all the way, and I know it'll fit. Okay, that looks like it's where it's supposed to be. How come this one's not fitting? It should fit. Huh. Aha. There. Okay, you get the idea. You get the idea here. Got a little garbage sack here. And now I can fold that all up. Whew. Okay, now I got it. There's a definite little notch in your styrofoam down there. And this side was off at a skew, ever so slightly. Okay. There. Okay. For easy transportation to a recycler loosen it all back up. Good way to do it. Really. There you go. Hey, one more thing. You saw how I flipped that up and I put the housing on. I did that over the carpet. You don't really want to do that. Take them outside and do it, but because see, sometimes the bottom of that insert could be full of water, it could have sludge in it, it could be all icky, and if you turn it up, you don't want anything getting down on your carpet, okay? There's a tip for you. And that goes also when you pull it out from the wall. If you're way up high, you want to try to keep it as flat as you can, especially if there's any water in it. Alright? And if there is water in it, maybe it has a little rubber cap outside. If it does, maybe that's why the water's in there. Take that cap off like I showed you with the little screwdriver. Take that out and maybe that'll drain some of the water out. But then you're still going to have to be careful when you remove it, lower it down, and take it outside. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.